It's 5 in the morning. You see, when everybody's sleeping, is when I do my farming work. You see that big pear tree? I planted that. Pear tree, I planted that. See, we're gonna plant some more stuff. Lime tree. So we total have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 12 coconut tree, 6 pear tree, 20 banana tree over there too. And we have 20 soursop tree, about 42 in one hole. And we have about 7 citrus on the property. So 1 jackfruit tree and 1 star fruit tree. So in Jamaica, we're getting ready for the epidemic food problem will come. Wanna get ready?